Hi peeps, me just come back lo market, lo morning, lo boroko market. Now, amo kai me go buy them some kau, start underneath, pull up straight, all potato, tapiok. Now you me got all Singapore too, me buy all. Alright, lodis, got some corn, all banana on them. Lo here me got popo, me got ginger, carrot, garlic on them, some muli stuff. Yeah. Alright, this line blow. Bolo you blow viewers, you plus go buy him kai lo market. No you blow say that house blue you play it, or even some blue plug at league space we plus rent we landlord he can allow him you play lo planning kai. Me like talk sa vetas all. What misa okay, misa go buy him kai. Misa kam, misa cookim sampla, but igat sampla have a kind of some display. And you look him and some seed finish now. You can cut him lo display have taso, lusi me dry lick lo other side. Time you look him some new plant leaf blame of lokamanta. Now you can plant him. Now why me talk also? Because now I'm good plant time straight lo plant him kai. Where any put down na ground ni malo na I wet on them. Kind of some popo to you can kai popo seed blame you throw mo side. All potato too, kind of same display. You can look him. You got one play, you got seed blame come up finish. You can plan him all this lah. So behind time you know can go back to market can. Alright. Display one play pineapple me been buying lo market. Na me kay finish. Me plan him na come up finish. You got narapla two stop lo here. Me walk lo come up. Na you got narapla can start lo here. All popo me been kay. Me throw my seed blow now come up now. Alright, and now you can look him plenty popo stuff. One bla muli stuff blow ya, try bla muli and blow before yet. Okay, buy muli come plan him. Okay, one kind of some one black can me plan him lo ya bean you look him. And now I'm carrying kai blame. You got some mo kai blame stuff yang come up now. Plenty pull up. On the popo ikarem now you can look him and popo blow before me buy him lo market you can plan him seed blame and grow now and karem kai blame stuff sampla mo kai pula ya banana me plan him all blow you can look him on the banana me bin kisim saka blame me can plan him now karem you can look him karem. So this la now almost suppose we amas plan blame start 9 plan blame suppose me 50 kina me babay lo market 5 kina lo plahan sa salim. So instead of you go salim 50 kina lo place lo market me plan mo kay so tamblo you can look mo pumpkin grow stuff. So no unless man you make at ground like him kind of logo. Thank you true na like you vlog ata.